should have met me in 1864. He would have liked me.
I like you now, just the way you are.
And you're thinking of escape, I'll go anywhere with you. Just wrap me up in chains. But if you try to go alone, don't think I'll understand. Stay with me. Stay with me. In the silence of your room,